Are you being annoyed by the Sppwinob.dll library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we get into the technical process for Sppwinob library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Sppwinob library, the software protection platform Windows Objects Library. It manages the localized unmanaged license token validation shims for the Windows OS. It facilitates the localized communication between the activation service and the system's core unmanaged licensing manifest. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Sppwinob Library DLL. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Sppwinob Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Sppwinob Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to Sppwinob library synchronization. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Sppwinob library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.